Hear me now, YouTube world. Welcome back. SERC again. So this vid is basically my 3S truck that was a Centon. I've converted it pretty much into a monster truck, Jetco tyres. Now running a 4S system, twin fans I just put on it, and a 2650 kV motor. So we're going to go out and give it a test, hit some jumps. Stay tuned. So here we go. Yeah, this is testing a new rocket motor on its 3S rig. It's running 4S now, but it's got a brand new rocket motor, 2650 kV, 3670. So I've given it a run. I did a speed run with it using one of these, and I'll just put that on the screen now. So, thought I'd give it a try with some jumps. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, 4S shifts now. Absolutely flies. This is quite a good spot here. It's the first time I've been down here. Still fairly local to me. Seems to jump nice. Thing moves lovely. Again, it's those Jetco tyres. And absolutely backflips for fun. Doggy loves it. Look at him. Man, that thing rips. Wicked, so pleased with it. 47 mile an hour off-road, couldn't get full power down at all, wheelies for days. But yeah, really pleased with it. Only issue I had is I've popped a drive shaft. I think just jumping and having loads of power on and landing, I put one of the drive shafts. Now I'm at that point, do I buy the metal drive shafts, but then you're going to be putting loads of pressure on the gears. who knows, I've got another spare one, so I'm going to put that on and give it another go and see where that takes me. Anyway, thanks for watching, like, subscribe, see you next time.